okay, of the geometry practice test for chapter 5. So we're at the top of page 3, number 15. It says find the missing length indicated. So they want us to find HJ. Here's H, here's J, so we want this piece right here. We also know that this piece right here is what we call the mid-segment because it joins the two midpoints of this side and this side. Okay? The mid-segment is parallel to the opposite side, is also half the length of the long side that it's parallel to. So if 12 is the length of the mid-segment, then we double it to get the length of HJ, which is 24. All right, number 16, they want us to find VX. So this length compared to this length, we want to double it, we get 18. Number 17 and 18, now we're doing the same thing, but now we're involving algebra, some algebraic expressions. This is the mid-segment, so it's going to be, if we double it, it's going to be equal to this side right here. So we're going to say 2x minus 10 equals x. Subtract x from both sides, add 10 to both sides. Opposites, opposites, and we get x equals 10. Same thing here. 2 of these is going to be equal to 1 of these. So we're going to have 4x minus 4 equal to 2x plus 8. Subtract the 2x. Add the 4. Opposites, opposites. So we have 2x equals 12. Divide by 2. And x equals 6. A little more algebra with our mid-segments. So here's the mid-segments. 2 of these is going to be equal to 1 of these. So 4x minus 20 equal to x plus 7. So subtract x from both sides. Add 20 to both sides. Opposites, opposites. We get 3x equals 27. Divide by 3. So x equals 9. Double the mid-segment. Set it equal to the opposite side. So 4x minus 4 equals 2x plus 10. Subtract 2x from both sides. Add 4 to both sides. Opposites, opposites. So we've got 2x equal to 14. Divide both sides by 2, so x is equal to 7. All right, go ahead and turn over to page 4. Top of page 4, it says each figure shows a triangle with one or more of its medians. Okay, so they're going to give you some information. Make sure you label that right on your diagram. Okay, so if WV, this whole length right here is 19.4, find HV. So HV is from here to here, and this is what we call the midpoint. So if we take 19.4 and we divide it by 2, we get 9.7. Number 22. So we want to label WV, which is 5, WV, so from here to here. We want to find HV from here to here, so it's clearly half of 5, which is 2.5. Number 23. Find x if EG is 3x minus 3. So from here to here is 3x minus 3. LG, so half of it from here to here is x plus 1. Oops. So 2 of these is going to be equal to 1 of those. So distribute, and you get 2x plus 2 equals 3x minus 3. Subtract the 3x from both sides. Subtract 2 from both sides. Opposites, opposites. We have negative x equals negative 5, so positive x is positive 5. Number 24, if AC equals x minus 1. So AC is this much, label it, x minus 1. And MC, so from here to here, is 2x minus 5. This one's also going to be 2x minus 5, so I'm going to double that and set it equal to this guy over here. So 4x minus 10 equals x minus 1. Subtract x from both sides. Add 10 to both sides. Opposites, opposites. So we've got 3x equals 9. Divide both sides by 3. So x is equal to 3. Number 25. TS equals 6. So here's TS, and it's 6. Find GT. So from here to here, clearly not the same measurement. This is the 1/3, 2/3 relationship. So we need to double that 6, which is going to get us 12 units. 26. TK is 3.6. So this short piece is 3.6. They want RK, the whole thing. So I'm just going to double the 3.6, which is 7.2, and then add back the 3.6. So we've got 10.8 for the whole thing. This is 3.6, this is 7.2, add them together. Right? Number 27, AX is 12. Find JX, the whole thing. So another way to do it, since this is the 1/3 and this is the 2/3, to take the 12 and multiply it by 3, which is 36. So 26 and 27, you can do these two different ways and still get the same answer. Okay? Number 28, FT is 2.8. Find FM, the whole thing. So I'm going to take half of this, which is 1.4, and then add back the 2.8. And the whole length is 4.2.